Alright, so today we are here at 11575 Wildwood Spring Drive in Marietta, Georgia, conducting a repair on this clearly wind crease shingle. So let's begin. Alright, so the condition of the shingle looks to be very old and very brittle, so I'm going to be as gentle as possible. Please bear with me, and this process is not easy. Oh boy, this one's gonna give me some trouble here. Yeah, so the nail is actually piercing through the shingle completely. So can't sustain a repair properly. You see, I'm trying to be as gentle as possible, but again, this is an old shingle, it's brittle, you know. A lot of variables go into this. Basically, get to the top of it as well, as gently as possible. There we go. Some few extra nails over here. More. For some reason, they have two nails in this one position, which is just weird. I've not seen that before, but you know, in our field of work, you see a lot of crazy stuff. So now it's I forgot one nail. Oopsie-doo. Where is it? Alright, so as y'all can see, this shingle right here has matting transfer, and the nailing strip is completely compromised. Alright, so for the sake of this video, I just wanted to show you guys what's going on with the shingle right here, but I'm going to be replacing the wind crease shingle with the same exact shingle, just for the sake of the video, to show you guys that this roof is not going to be able to sustain a repair. So let me begin neatly tucking the shingle back into place, aligning it at center, just how it's meant to be, nice and flush. I'm going to take my left hand off so I can actually grab these nails, and I'm going to start to nail the shingle back into place. Bear with me here. So, as you can see, I'm barely lifting the shingle up, trying to be as gentle as possible, not to compromise the structural integrity of the roof. But at the same time, this shingle is, you can even see in the video, it's starting to peel up on its own. Without me doing anything. Just barely lifting it up. You know, I'm just trying to do my job. grab it. Trying to be as gentle as possible. These nails not really going too far. But again, barely lifting the shingle. This one. Okay. So, just lifting them up so I can actually have visibility and good contact on the nail strip. But you can see, like, this shingle is not really wanting to be repaired or really to be played with, honestly. Perfect. Trying to be as gentle as possible. Just a few more here. Definitely with this shingle as well. Alright, so the nailing process has been complete. Now let me show you guys the aftermath. As you guys can see, we have attempted to repair this shingle right here, but the shingle right above, even with a slight little bend, you can see that these shingles are all lifting within by themselves. It is causing creasing on all of the shingles right here. Minor crease, that's a pretty major crease right there. Minor crease, it's a pretty big crease right here. This shingle is not yet creased, but you can see that line right there that it caused. Same thing right here with a minor lift of the shingle. It's already creasing naturally, and you can see how an attempted repair or substantial repair on this roof would cause further more damage and not return the policyholder to pre-loss conditions. So let's do right by the customer and get them a full roof replacement. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.